Hello, how are you all? How is everything going on? I hope you are doing well. There are a lot of messages coming today for you. It is like pile of messages today. I think even you yourself are getting a lot of messages already. Uh, so a lot of messages in this video can feel like just the confirmation. Confirmation. I said. Um, Confirmation to your intuitions, to the messages that you are getting directly from your angels and your guides. The first message is, so if you are seeing a lot of angel numbers they call it, but I'll say a lot of angel numbers, different angel numbers. It's not the same one angel number. So the first confirmation for you that this message is for you is only when if you are seeing a lot of multiple angel numbers, like so sometimes you're seeing 1111, sometimes you're seeing 1919, sometimes you're seeing 1212. So these kind of a lot of combinations of similar numbers together. If that is coming up for you, then this message is for you. Um and I'm okay. So what does these numbers mean? Is actually that just like these numbers, a lot of things are going on in your life already. That is one thing. So, a lot of things are going on in your life already, and you are piled up with a lot of actions and activities, and the responsibilities, the challenges that earlier felt like hurdles in your path, and also felt like heavy burden on your head now are starting to feel like, if you are now feeling like actually all of these have prepared and now you are very comfortable doing all of these things. Now you're not no longer feeling that these were challenges. Now you are feeling that, oh, you are very much capable of doing all these things very comfortably. Then this message is for you. If that is all happening around you in your life for last few months, and uh, now you are coming up to it, it will feel like a closure, a settlement, um feeling of calm among restlessness, among chaos. So there is a lot of chaos, but you are no longer feeling like it that way. You are not feeling restless. You are feeling calm rather. If that is happening with you, then this message is for you. Um, okay. Let me give you the first message. That is, you are getting so and today I'm listening a lot of horns. Every time I'm starting to give you the next message, and that feels like confirmation ring. The confirmation bell I said, and there are already three bells. You might not be able to hear that because I'll be removing the background noise so you can hear the message clearly. But and if you want that I should include these sounds for you, these background sounds for you, you can comment down, and for the next videos I'll do that. But yeah, so a lot of confirmations already during the message. One more. Every time I'm saying confirmation and sound, there is a uh, beep, confirmation beep. Okay, let me give this message to you that these a lot of things that are happening towards you and a lot of numbers that you are seeing, all these mean at this point for you is that you're finally getting the keys. You're finally getting the keys to your success, to your fame in particular. So whatever you are doing right now is going to bring you fame, is going to get you traveling around, and that will bring you a lot of fame. Um, and this is just the starting. So today I saw I was passing through and I was getting these messages, and I just saw a key hanging in front of me. That was a paper key, not the real key. But a key hanging in front of me, and then there were a lot of keys. I noticed that one key, and that felt like the success key coming up for you. And there were behind that one key, I suddenly noticed a bundle of keys hanging behind that one key. So mm, that gave me this message. That is a message for you that this one key is coming up for you right now. So there are multiple countdowns for your keys to the multiple stages of your success, multiple opportunities of your success are coming up. So first key is going to be handed over to you within next 3 days. And once you grab that key, once you finally grab that key, this is the time for you to grab that key. So maybe I'm going, this is very important line and repeating, grab that key. So the one key that you're going to get within next 3 days, once you grab that, once you give a confirmation to the universe that you are uh, ready to receive that pile of abundance, that pile of success for you, the universe is hanging behind secretly a lot more keys. So you once you accept that one opportunity that is coming for you in next 3 days, we are going to get a lot of opportunities behind this one opportunity. So that is very important message for you today. I have cards. Okay, I'll I'll see if I get some cards for you, which will give you more confirmation on my message for sure. So fame is coming for you, success is coming for you with traveling, and um, health. For some reason, I wanted to tell you about your health. Okay, so your health can be improving in next few days. So your keys are coming towards you finally. Okay, let me give you this message now. Okay. Cards, is there any more message for this collective? So this is general reading, and whenever you find this reading, because I'm mentioning that next 3 days, so whenever you are finding this message, just message this way. We have this card. Oh, Two of Swords in reverse. You felt like this for all this while when I was talking that you felt like handling a lot of responsibilities, and you kept holding on to those things while you already had the power. So you held the power all this while, but you still chose to be into those responsibilities. And that's what was blinding you from your success, which is right in front of you. So from your freedom, which was right in front of you always. So you could have chosen that earlier, but there was a lot of confusion. There was, so actually at this point, you are also releasing a lot of um, people, energies, surroundings, and thoughts and beliefs, which is going to clear your confusion finally. But at this point, you're also in feeling of indecision because okay. So you're feeling that a lot of you're very confused at this point. At one point, you're feeling okay. I want to. So let me give you example. You might be feeling like okay, I'm feeling very sleepy. Let me go to bed and sleep. But that then once you go to bed, you your sleep is lost and you're not able to sleep and you're having a lot of thoughts in your head. Random thoughts, not overthinking. No worries sometimes, just random thoughts. That doesn't even matter to be thought right now. You know that. Still you are thinking about that. Those kind of confusions. And I'm getting this sense of feeling um mentally hungry. Okay. That is the right word. So everything, all uh, um the feeling of dissatisfaction inside you right now is I'm telling you only is in your brain because you have trained yourself, you have been trained all this life to be satisfied in one certain way only. So let's say if you are trained to eat at a certain point only, we all are trained to have a food schedule, to have a sleep schedule, and we have habit of running and working based on that. So you're sleeping by my using this for sleeping. Okay. Okay. So your consciousness is sleeping. That's why this word sleeping come into me. So we we run behind a schedule like a robot, and then our mind starts to think that we need that particular thing at that time. So even if you are not so let's say you eat every day at 1 o'clock uh, in afternoon. You have your lunch every day at 1 o'clock, and then you, even though you are not hungry today, you think that oh, it's already 2 o'clock and I haven't had my lunch. So, so I should have my lunch. So that feeling, even if you're not hungry, you're not hungry. You don't need food right now. But because you are trained to think that you need food at 1 o'clock in afternoon, you are thinking that I need food. That's the situation in your life right now. You don't actually need what your brain is telling you to focus on. And that is irritating you. But your body is much more intelligent and it is sensing the energies of upcoming abundance, upcoming calm, upcoming settlements, upcoming stability. And that, and once you start feeling safe in the stability and reality of your body rather than following what your mind is telling you, this confusion will be clear. So the confusion is happening because your consciousness is asleep right now. Maybe if you meditate upon this particular thing, whatever is making you confused for the present situation in your life, this will help you get out of this confusion and take the right decision at this point. So meditation is very important for you right now. I'll just take out two more cards for you because I think there is no more message. Hmm. You are definitely taking a flight in your life. You are definitely going to fly. There are a lot of confirmations around. Page of Pentacles and manifestation and financial opportunity. What did I say? It's coming up. Financial opportunities, the abundance is coming up. You are calling this, and this is coming up for you. Finally, the sunrise is happening in your life. Finally, the flowers are blooming in your life. Finally, probably you have been scholar in your whole life, scholar in everything that you do. You have been best at everything that you take upon and start doing. That's why you have been handed over these keys, and that's why your manifestations or your prayers are coming to at this point. Congratulations, I'm happy for you. Okay, let me take out one last card. I'm still sensing unsatisfaction in myself in this for this message. I'm still feeling that I need one more message. There is some message left, still left. So one more analogy is came to me this morning for you that, sometimes there are hurdles on your way. Let's say there is a wood on your way or the soil in your legs. Think of a time when you were on a beach and there is soil and water both right there below your legs, and then it was up to you to either feel the soil, the mud, or feel the water, or enjoy the water. But if you were only focusing, and earlier you were only focusing on the mud in your legs, while you knew that water is right there, and if you want to wash it away, you can, but you were not, because you had focused too much on mud, and you knew that that water also has mud, but you knew that water, the mud is what making that water alive. So the chaos in your life all this while was making you alive. What all that was making your life worth living. So so you have to start to embrace the soil, the mud, the chaos at this point, which you're already trying to do right now, I sense it. Because that's why I already said that this is the time you are already getting these messages, you are feeling calm with the chaos. So it is already happening. But one more simple that yeah, enjoy the mud and life in the water. Enjoy the mud and life in the water. The life in the water. Can you see the card? The life in the water. And this is the judgment card. So the judgment card is literally bringing you the final judgment, the final case that I already told you. So I'll just end my message by showing you all three cards to wrap up my reading for today. But the judgment is coming for you. Awakening, renewal, rebirth. If you're already in a job, you're getting a promotion. If you're not in a job, you're getting a job. But most of all, you're getting a judgment and the inner calling. You are reviving. You are reviving, my friend. You are reviving. Okay. And we had Page of Pentacles. Okay. So these are two cards and the Two of Swords. That is in reverse, so not a bad card. That represents an ending, your calling, hard work, manifestation, and the judgment. So I'll end my reading here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and you can reach out to me for a personal counseling sessions or tarot reading sessions. Thank you.